Good afternoon there, general science students, and welcome to class today. Unfortunately, I am not here. I will not be with you, but I wanted to go ahead and have it come from my mouth exactly what you're going to be up to today, okay? If you check over at the board, all right, notice that it says that you're going to be building and organizing the periodic table of elements, not the actual periodic table of elements, but kind of a make-believe periodic table of elements. You're going to kind of get practice and grasp the entire process that took place about 100, 200 years ago, and the whole forming of the periodic table of elements. So that lab is linked on the Unit 3 Part 2 webpage. Okay, so you'll need an iPad. All right, the iPad cart is unlocked, and you'll be working with a partner. You need to go to Nemaha Valley Science and get to the Unit 3 Part 2 webpage and scroll down to the bottom and get to the screen that you see here right now. Very bottom here, there's the word lab, the Organized Elements Mini Lab. This is what you will click on, and these are your directions. Okay? Pretty simple procedure. The materials for the lab will be colored pencils, the iPad itself, and some cut-in-half index cards. Okay? There's stacks of those over on the small table in front of the smartboard. I'm not going to give you any further direction here with the mini lab, except to tell you that you will submit it to me as a Google Drive document. You will answer these questions in a Google Drive document. Make sure the document has both you and your partner's name in it. And I would also like you to take a picture of your periodic table of elements, place that in a Google document, and share that with me through Google Drive. We've used Google Drive twice now to submit assignments online digitally. So that's what you'll be doing today. So that's how I'm going to check in on your lab. Since I can't be here to see actually how you are putting together the periodic table of elements, or make-believe periodic table, I'm going to go ahead and check, all right, as you submit it. So you'll be turning in, again, a Google Drive document through the Google Drive app that has a picture of your periodic table of elements and also these 3 questions answered. And make sure that you and your partner's name is on that. When you're finished with that entire activity, what I want you to do is complete the Chapter 16 practice packet. It's linked on the website here, but I've got paper copies printed off for you. And there's a whole big stack of these on the small table in front of the smartboard. Okay? You will finish out class working on this quietly. All right? You can maneuver yourselves around the room for the lab. I would like it just to be you and your partner kind of isolated, working on it by yourselves. All right? That's the goal. Okay? That's all I got for you. That should get you through the day. Learn a little bit about the periodic table of elements. If you got some downtime after all this is done, you can study up and brush up on the periodic table of elements with the few apps that are on the iPads that cover the periodic table of elements and the different elements in general. But stay busy, okay? Stay busy, be good. See you later.